Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from the Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a review of this DOOGEE tablet. This is the T20S. As you can see here, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so right off the bat we got a little bit of protection. As you can see, it's just very thin. Screen takes up most of the body. It's got an 84% screen to body ratio. Looks like the power button's right here, so I'm going to go ahead and hold that down. And it's turning on. You got the volume buttons right there. It's got this very nice camera here, 13 megapixels, even got a flash. You got a nice protective film. Now inside the box we get this power brick here. We've got the charging cord, USB-C to USB-A, and then we've got a limited warranty here. User manual. Right here it kind of labels everything for you, even a SIM card ejector tool here. So as you could hear right there, the speaker sounds very nice and clear. Since it's coming out of the top and the bottom, you got that nice stereo sound. You take a picture, it has that shutter sound. Here's the photo. So as you can see, there's like actually quite a bit of detail. You could see everything pretty nicely. And then you can go ahead and flip it around. And there you have the front-facing camera. You've also got Pro mode, which basically is like gives you access to all the different controls for the camera. You got panorama, video, slow motion even, time lapse. You can scan QR codes, night photography. Wow, this goes pretty far. The screen looks very nice, very vivid. The very nice thing about this is it's got blue light protection. So this is very nice if you're like want to use this before bed and you don't want it to affect the quality of your sleep. It's nice and responsive when you turn it sideways. Overall, for the very cheap price, this is just bewilders me how it could be so good. That's a review of the DOOGEE T20S. Thanks for watching.